This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the assembly open and the move/rotate or mate controller active. This is critical because Solidworks only allows unfixing from the assembly context. Once the component is selected, right-click it and inspect properties to verify it is fixed. If properties shows fixed, proceed immediately. Do not attempt to open part files or edit mates yet. This keeps the operation inside the assembly and prevents creating unintended mate changes while you prepare to unfix. You now perform the single correct action. Right-click the fixed component in the feature tree or graphics area and choose Float. This is the only reliable Solidworks method to unfix assembly components without altering mates. Once you select Float, the fixed icon disappears and the component regains degrees of freedom. If you need, use Move Component to confirm free motion. Do not edit part geometry or suppress mates, because that complicates relationships and can hide the real constraint preventing movement. Finish by testing motion with Move Component and reviewing mates that still reference the part. Once done, ensure no higher-level assembly or ground constraint is relocking it. If you need it fixed later, right-click and choose Fix. If the part still refuses to move, investigate coincident or concentric mates and any ground constraints in parent assemblies. These are the usual culprits. One troubleshooting tip: temporarily suppress suspect mates one at a time to isolate which constraint keeps the part from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.